Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you how I turned a DollarTree Easter basket into a Mackenzie Childs-inspired flower basket. What you will need from the DollarTree is one of these Easter basket wood cutouts. I happened to find an H for my last name, so I was quite lucky. Then I did a search on the internet, and I found a Mackenzie Childs courtly check image that I enlarged and printed on computer paper. You'll also need some Mod Podge, some gold metallic paint, and some pink chalk paint and hot glue, and some flowers. I happen to have these in my stash. They were just flower tops, no stems, so I'm using those. What I do to cut out my courtly check print is I just lay it face up onto my wooden piece, and I just crease it all the way around all the edges. Here I flipped it out so you could see the indentation, and that's what I use as my cutting line. Then I took some gold metallic paint and I painted the bow and the H, and then also along the edges of the basket in case the paper wasn't cut perfectly. And then I also painted the handle with some of the ballet slipper chalk paint because that's the pink that I had. And I wanted my basket handle to be more of a woven look. So I took some jute twine and I attached it to my table, and I pulled it tightly, and I just painted it with some more paint. And then when it was dry, I started from the bottom and I wrapped it up to the top and then crisscrossed it down the side, and I attached it with hot glue. And here you can see how it sits in the back of the basket. And then I repeated that again for the other half of the basket handle top. Next, it was time to Mod Podge on the courtly check paper. And then since I had my flowers and they were buds, I did cut off those green stem pieces short so that I could hot glue them where the eggs are on the basket. So now it became a flower basket. And here's Quarantino checking to make sure I did a good job. He's such good quality control. Now I don't know if I'm going to keep it as a standing piece, or if I'm going to incorporate it into a wreath, or just hang it from the wall. So for now, I just have it hanging in my kitchen with my St. Patrick's Day decorations. Quarantino and I hope you enjoyed our project. If you did, please give our video a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and as always, if you aren't already subscribing, please consider doing so. Quarantino and I will be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care.